everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we are brought to another video where I will be showing you how you can easily log out of your Reddit account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family. And we will just simply now just dive into our video. So what you will do is, the first thing, you will simply download your Reddit app and make sure you have updated your app. Then you will simply tap on that, and once your app is open, you will simply just tap on your profile icon with your little character on top right corner. Simply tap on it and this particular interface will open up. Then you will simply tap on this little downwards arrow icon beside your name. You will simply tap on it and this particular options will pop up. Then you will see this another option which is a sign of genuinely a log out, this arrow in a box sign beside this check mark. Simply tap on it. Here you can see the logout option. You will simply tap on that logout option and then simply tap on it, and you will get logged out from your account easily. As you can see, my account does not exist anymore, and I can see the sign up and login option over there. So yeah, this is how you can simply log out. If you have more concerns and questions, do leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching our video till the end. And yeah, do subscribe guys if you haven't done yet. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.